Welcome back to JB Gaming, and today we're going to be playing Speedrun 4
with our friend's
Mars-
little brother,
yeah,
Puppy Marcel Money.
And Riley O'Puppy.
But neither of them are on call because
They didn't want it.
their voices are classified. But they will be
In the
playing
game,
with us.
talking on
And
chat.
I know I'm a pro, even though you can't see my screen.
Because you're with my screen. Marcel's over here.
Oh, June, you finally passed it.
Shh, Riley's on the same thing. Laura, who knows? How do they know her name?
Must be one of her friends.
Oh, knew it. What? Did you hear Laura? Brennan?
Mm-hmm.
What?
I see her.
Oh yeah, I just passed her up. Did you die? Finally passing you up. What level
I'm
are
too
you
interested in this pizza.
I found another girl over there. What level are you in?
Isn't it on?
Yeah, but they're using because it's the weekend. Come on.
But when we upload this, it will still be weekend stuff.
It will be uploaded today. He died. I'm passing him up. There's no way to survive, Brandon.
I was there.
There's no way to survive.
I was almost there.
You have to die, or you'll just stay there forever. Yeah. So, Brandon, I'm about to pass level. Yay! I found another person. There are like so many people scattered, but I'm still beating this one. Brandon, I'm on the level you were on. Look.
I hate that level.
Why? It's so easy. How do you hate it?
No, I was actually... I passed it. Oh my gosh, I keep going back by accident.
What? Rage. That was me before. I died. What level? I'm on level 4. You're on level 2. Ready, set, go, jump.
I was passing her.
This is how I win. Jump. Jump.
Oh, that's what you're supposed to do.
No, like saying it. Jump. Jump. Like that. But I'm gonna pass this level.
You know on their screen that your thing is so glitchy that...
Brennan, look. Brennan. I believe
even
I
jumping
can fly.
when you say jumping.
I believe I can fly.
Brennan, I hate that glitch.
No, you're on that level. Come on, Jalen. Okay, I'm not gonna die. I'm gonna pass this level. Definitely gonna pass this level. Ooh, I found another person. There's like 2 people in this level. Counting me, 3. Ooh, okay. Oh, you died? Yes. No! Ugh. Oh, she's still on the same level as you?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I've Marcel's on my level. He's right here.
Same level as a kindergartner.
And, Brendan, don't say what grade he is in.
Just did.
He died. Passing you all up.
Oh!
I did it again. I did it again. I always miss that jump, but I'm gonna pass it. This one, I feel that I'm gonna pass it. This one. This is the one. This definitely is the one. Yep, I feel it in my bones. This is the one.
Electric baby when I turn.
Stop. Oh, Marcel's right there. This is the one, Brandon. Yes, I knew it. This was the one. I died. No! No! Hi, Brandon.
Hi.
Die. Yes. Go, Jalen. This is the one. The one I passed, and then the next one I die. I don't get it. There's Marcel. Oh, no, that's not Marcel. I glitched. Okay.
Marcel's not neither, no.
Okay, I passed it.
No, you didn't.
No, I'm saying I passed that thing I couldn't pass.
I'll still have a competition.
Well, I passed. We're on the next level.
I think it's so confusing.
Oh my god, I was just crazy for a sec.
Oh, like you are in real life?
Stop it. Well, are you this far in yet? No.
Almost.
Uh-huh.
I was last time.
Last time was no time. That's past.
Oh! I almost started. I went back onto the platform.
Well, I'm on next level. This one's an easy level. How's
Oh!
it going?
Oh, yes!
No. Ha! I already passed that level.
Well, I'm gonna pass it now.
Well, I'm passing this level.
I've never gotten this so far.
Well, I'm on this level. This is a pretty easy
I've
level.
never seen that level before.
Oh, this is a pretty easy level.
I've never gotten this far.
You never gone this far?
Nope.
Well, Brandon, sorry to say, but I'm about to pass this.
That seems easy.
It is. You just jump. Jump.
Ooh, got 5 cards.
Passed it. I love this level.
Oh, I've gotten that far before. What am I talking about? Oh, Marshall!
Marcel, you mean?
Sorry. You call him some guy from Paw Patrol. I mean, he does like that sound.
Hey, stop hitting.
I didn't hit you. I elbowed.
This is actually a fun level. It's so rainbowy. Going slow so we can pass this.
Oh, I am glitching.
Yeah, it's very glitchy.
I literally just stayed on my head.
Oh, yes, I passed it. Okay, I see the platforms
Ooh,
all
ooh,
the
oh,
way.
yeah. Oh, I'm flipping way too much.
Look at me! You sure? Who's flipping more? Me, I'm on rainbow platforms. This is actually a fun level. I love this level. This is one of my favorite ones.
Okay.
Okay, I'm still in the range. Oh, yes.
Oh, you passed it.
Mm-hmm. Yes, this is a sewer one.
I'm on the ice one.
Oh, that one's easy.
Did you ever die in this level yet?
No. I didn't die in this level yet.
No,
Don't-
this one. The ice one.
No! I didn't die in this one yet. I'm so far didn't die. This one's actually a really easy one. If you would think about it, it's an easy one. No, I died.
I literally just walked across water.
I didn't die in that level. This is actually a 2-part video will come out later. Probably tomorrow.
So we're gonna have to go all the way back this because once you do it, you can't save your progress.
It doesn't matter. We'll just have to get to the levels we were on.
We can just skip levels to you.
Don't! Brady, you're gonna waste your Robux, which you need to give to friends.
Give to friends? What do you mean give to friends?
Giveaways?
They're not my friends.
For giveaways,
They're
Brandon.
my fans.
Well, your fans giveaways.
I mean, most of my friends got their Robux from me.
Uh-huh. I passed it.
I'm a kind friend.
Look.
Unlike Jalen.
Sure. I'm the one who's gonna help give out the Robux.
Oh my
I
gosh!
have Robux.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, are you really joking right now?
Shut up.
Oh, I still have my BC.
Me too, I still have my PC. Well, I only got it like a week ago, so I still have it for a
I
month.
thought it was supposed to be canceled by now.
Yours?
Oh, I don't think I canceled it.
I bought one with my thing. Hey, Brandon. Bye, Brandon. Oh, you're way far behind. Which one are you on? I'm on the buildings. No, like,
You see my screen. What do you mean?
no, what level?
Level 7.
Level 10.
Have you played this before?
So have you.
I've never got to this part.
I've passed this whole thing before. It's so easy.
I'm not that dedicated.
Are Marcel and Bradley still in the game?
I think so. Oh, I'm doing side flips.
I can too, but I know. My whole thing is about side. Oh yeah, that thing is mostly about flips because you have to jump.
You know what? Rage quitting.
Brady, don't.
Skipping this level.
How much Robux is it?
I'm just skipping it. It's
How much
25
Robux is it? 25. You
Hopefully
purchased
this
that.
works. Oh yes, it does. Now if I can't do this,
That one's actually an easy.
If I can't do this in 5 tries,
Brent, I passed that in one
if I
try.
can't do this in 5
No, wait,
tries,
I passed that level in 2 tries.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Brandon.
Okay, I'm skipping.
You're sprinting. It's so easy.
Nope, skipping. I'm getting onto your level no matter what.
You're cheating.
Not cheating. It allows me to do it.
Yeah, would it be cheating if it allowed me?
Oh, nope, skipping. I failed. I'm skipping.
No, dang it! I skipped. I didn't want to.
Oh, no.
My balance is 92 Robux. I just got Robux.
Minus, let me see. Minus 50. I'm gonna get Robux. More Robux soon.
Oh no, with our GameStop, I'm getting it. That we got?
It's like not sponsored.
Well, we should get a sponsored.
Jalen, we're not getting sponsored by GameStop.
Oh, you guys on YouTube?
Yeah, now shush.
Shush, my peasants.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna be the funny part of this video. She's just gonna be like
The
there.
weird part.
Shush.
You'll just see her.
Brittany, you want to go on the trampoline later? Like,
Open.
why it's uploaded?
Maybe.
Brittany, did you just waste your Robux?
Oh, I didn't waste it. I used it. I'm not wasting it.
Yeah, you are. This is gonna be a 2-part video actually because it's almost time's up.
Oh, should I use my Robux on that getting back to this level?
No.
I'm gonna have to. What level are you on?
Level whatever before the level you're on.
You're on episode.
Because you skipped
level
and used your
11.
Robux. Well, I think this is it for the video.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is because time's up.
I'm not done. I am not done.
Well, bye.
I am
Subscribe
not
to
done.
JD
Wait.
Gaming. There'll be a second part video. There'll be a second part video. Goodbye. Subscribe and like.